Hello everyone, this is सोनिया कौशिक एंड यू आर वाचिंग माय यूट्यूब चैनल केसी बायोजोन। और आज हम हैं अपने क्लास 12th के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ जिनके साथ हम पहले भी अपने प्रैक्टिकल्स कर चुके हैं, सॉइल पीएच एंड वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी, वाटर पीएच एंड ऑल। सो आज देखते हैं कि आज वो टर्म 2 के लिए कौन सा प्रैक्टिकल कर रहे हैं। चलिए देखते हैं। यस स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग टुडे?
Spotting of Ascaris.
Spotting of Ascaris. Okay, Ascaris belong to which phylum? Aschelminthes. That is also called nematodes. Okay, so you have Aschelminthes or roundworm, you can say. So which one is male and which one is female, and how will you identify male and female roundworms? कैसे identify करेंगे बच्चों?
Females are longer than males.
Which one is female? Please stand up.
This one is female and this one is male.
Okay. Is she right?
Yes, ma'am. This one is male because it is ventrally curved.
Okay.
And it
She is
is-
saying that this is female.
No, ma'am.
No,
this one
this is
male.
female and
This is male. So how will you identify male? Take it in hand, and
Ma'am,
you
it
will
is-
tell about female. Okay.
Ma'am, it is ventrally curved and less wider than the female one.
Okay.
And ma'am, the mouth is triradiate at the anterior end, which is surrounded by 3 lips. One is mid-dorsal and two ventrolateral.
So you are able to see the curved end.
Yes, ma'am. At the bottom.
And it's curved.
Yes, ma'am. It is less wider than the female one.
Okay, less wider than the female one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These are the identifying features of Ascaris.
Ascaris.
Okay, very good. Now coming to next students who are having, yes, which worm you have, male or female? Which round worm you have?
female.
This is female. So what are the identifying features? How you can differentiate male and female?
Ma'am, females are generally longer than
Take it in your hand. बताइए.
Females are generally longer than males.
Okay, their body size is comparatively long than male worm. Okay.
And they don't have a lateral line.
Okay, they
On
don't
the
have
body.
a lateral line नहीं है. Okay.
And these are generally found in human intestine.
Okay. These are found in human intestine?
Yes, ma'am. Small intestine.
In small
These are
intestine.
endoparasites.
Okay, they are specifically Taenia solemn. Okay. Okay, any disease caused by Ascaris? Do you know any disease? Ascariasis. Okay, that is commonly known as? No? What do you know about flareal worm? That cause? Filariasis, and you can say elephantiasis, and that is caused by the causal organism is Wicheria bancrofti. ओके तो ये स्पीशीज़ और ये नेम भी आप याद. तो आज आपने किया टर्म 2 के लिए स्पॉटिंग जो है राउंड वर्म बिलोंग्स टू एस्केहेलमिंथेस. ओके, सो इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस एनी अदर स्पॉटिंग फ्रॉम टर्म 2.